Naledi Apiwa's friend was basically making fun of her, saying that she's from her hometown to Cape Town and now she's eating sushi when she used to eat amagwinya. And she captioned this video, "It's fine, right?" I feel like it's such a humorous moment as they were having and they were joking. It was nothing personal. She did not take it personal. But guys, all I'm saying is that you need to level up in life. If we were used to bread and peanut butter and you start making money, of course, you will start eating sushi, food that you've never ate. You never know what your taste buds are and what they like, right? So she was basically saying that I do eat sushi. I also do like order like starters for sushi. Like, I eat sushi, right? And he was basically making fun of her and saying the last time you ate sushi was last year. And she was like, yeah, nah, it's okay. Like, it's really okay. It's really fine. And this is one of the reasons why I love her so much. She has a good sense of humor. Like, I believe that anyone could be friends with her. Like, we can literally make like a joke out of anything, literally. And that's what I think about her. So here's the full video, guys.
From Bani? From Bani? From Inanda to Cape Town. From the dusty streets of Inanda. From the dusty streets from Inanda. Uyacabanga nje manje. From amagwinya asenanda. Kathula yini nje manje? Isifudu. Wena nesushi. Hayi wa. Ngapha. Kwaye wena ukakhona ukuthi atudla isushi.
Hey mfethu ngijwayele mina isushi. Ngicela ukubuza ngijwayele mina isushi angidlini. Mina mangiyodla mina angishaya ama stats esushi. Angishaya mina ama stats esushi.
Awukahle umuntu eqala stena. Uqala stena isushi.
Kodwa nawe mfana from uMashu to Cape Town. From intaba zakaMashu zaseSilaqa to Cape Town. Buka phela manje. Ubuka amafa phezulu kwentaba.
Naledi Apiwa also posted Valentine's sweets hit different. Well, yeah, it does hit different. I mean, she bought herself flowers, she bought herself a teddy bear which she called Coco, and look how beautiful she is. Such a shame she named her teddy bear Coco, even though she did not celebrate Valentine's Day with her lover, but she also went ahead and posted this photo and captioned it "sweeter because it's from him." When we know Naledi Apiwa, stop it, you do not have a man. She also went ahead and posted this: "Every day I find new reason to love him." Do you know what I think? I think it's because Umawele has a girlfriend now or a partner, I don't know. She probably is posting all of these things. Like I always tell you guys, like social media is such an illusion. Like these people will make you think one thing when it's not really that. We know Naledi Apiwa, you cannot play with us. You are not in a relationship. I know Naledi, if she was in a relationship, she was going to show off her man. That one I know for sure. And on the other news, I just wanted to just talk about Mawu's new haircut. All I'm gonna say is that what is it that this woman does not look good on her? Everything looks good on Mawu. Like, you know what? It's kind of giving me like Mihlalem Damasi vibes. I feel like women with circular, like round facial structure, they can do literally anything with their hair, and it's very likely that their heads are nice. Like they can cut their hair, they can even cut their whole hair, literally just go, and they will still look good. Like she looks so dazzling. When I first saw this, I first remembered Mihlalem Damasi. Mihlalem Damasi used to be the it girl of blonde hairs. Like that girl was on top of blonde hair. And now we can see that the trends do not die. Hair trends will always be there forever, especially when it comes to short hair. Black women are one people that I believe that they can do whatever they want with their hair. They can cut their hair, they can braid their hair, they can wear a wig. We can literally do anything under the sun with our hair. And that's it, guys. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on my next video.